Mamta Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee's comments on Ramakrishna Mission and Bharat Sevashram, the monks of these missions, has now triggered a huge political flutter in the state of West Bengal. It was none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi who, while addressing a rally in West Bengal's Purulia earlier this afternoon, went on to say that to appease a vote bank, the Chief Minister of West Bengal has crossed all limits. He says that she has today decided to threaten monks associated with organizations like Bharat Sevashram, Ramakrishna Mission and ISKCON. Listen to what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said.
बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री इस्कॉन वालों को, रामकृष्ण मिशन वालों को, भारत सेवाश्रम के सन्यासियों को खुले तौर पर धमका रही है, खुले मन से चेतावनी दे रही है। दुनिया भर में इन मिशन से जुड़े वाले लाखों अनुयायी आज पूरी दुनिया में रहते हैं और इनका मकसद सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों की सेवा करना है। बंगाल की सरकार ने उन पर उंगली उठाई, उनका नाम लेकर धमका रही है। इतनी हिम्मत सिर्फ अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए, उन्हें साधने के लिए टीएमसी इतने निचले स्तर पर उतर आई है। इसे बंगाल की जनता का जरा भी ख्याल नहीं, लाखों लोगों की भावनाओं का ख्याल नहीं।
Shreya's joining us live. Shreya, in Bengal, Ramakrishna Mission, Bharat Sevashram and even ISKCON, they hold a lot of significance to the followers of Hindu religion. Now, when Mamta Banerjee comes out and takes the name of a monk, she takes his name and she says Kartik Maharaj, and she accuses him of having political affiliations, and she takes aim at this organization. Now, what is the message that is being sent out, and how are monks of Bharat Sevashram, Ramakrishna Mission and ISKCON reacting now that the Prime Minister has accused Mamta Banerjee of vote bank politics?
You know, of course, we are yet to get a reaction from Bharat Sevashram or from ISKCON, but of course, Mamta Banerjee's comment, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, her comments have definitely upset many people. We do see Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking a dig at Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, says that she is trying to do vote bank politics only to satisfy her definite vote bank. She is today attacking these monks and these missions openly. She is giving threat to these people openly, says that their contribution to the world is widely known. Now, before this, remember, yesterday we have seen Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee taking a name of Maharaja, like you mentioned before, and saying that these people are now politically influenced. Mamta Banerjee says that at one point in her time, she have done a lot of work for Ramakrishna Mission, for ISKCON, says that I hold a lot of respect for these missions, especially during the left rule. I have supported these organizations, but these people are politically influenced. They have instructions coming from Delhi. They are trying to create.
And the monk, Shreya, the monk Mamta Banerjee spoke about was recently in the news for organizing Gita Path, 1 lakh Gita Path. Now, the same monk who Mamta Banerjee spoke about, she called him Kartik Maharaj, is the same monk who in Bengal who opposed TMC's controversial Neta Humayun's 70-30 remark. That was a comment which the Calcutta High Court also took objection to. Now, we have leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are escalating the attack after Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused Mamta Banerjee of targeting saints and monks to appease a vote bank. What are they saying? Let's go straight across to Rohit, who's joining us from the newsroom. Leaders of the BJP hitting out at Mamta Banerjee. Rohit, take us through the reactions.
Yes, well, in fact, now a fierce war of words playing out between the BJP and TMC after the Prime Minister's attack against the Mamta government. Here we have a tweet coming in from Amit Malviya, the West Bengal co-in-charge of the BJP. He says, Prime Minister Modi slams TMC for belittling the saints of Bengal and attacking Bharat Sevashram Sangh, Ramakrishna Mission and ISKCON. What has Mamta Banerjee reduced Bengal, the land of several Hindu Renaissance movement, to? Disappointing. And then comes a response from Shubhendu Adhikari, the West Bengal leader of opposition. He says, I stand with Bharat Sevashram Sangh. I stand with Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. I stand with ISKCON. I stand with all revered Hindu monks. So these are the responses coming in from the senior BJP leaders from the state of West Bengal after the Prime Minister's attack against the Bengal
Thank you, Rohit,
government.
for getting us those details. This is what BJP leaders are saying. And for viewers just joining us on this broadcast who are, who do not know what Ramakrishna Mission is or what Bharat Sevashram is, organizations in the state of West Bengal associated with monks, they do a lot of philanthropical work. They are socio-religious organizations, and today the monks of these organizations have come under attack. Politics is being alluded to them. Let's listen into what Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee said when she took the name of a particular monk who is associated to Bharat Sevashram. Listen in.
মহারাজ আছেন, আমি শুনেছি অনেক দিন ধরে কার্তিক মহারাজ। ভারত সেবা সংঘকে আমি খুব শ্রদ্ধা করতাম। আমার শ্রদ্ধার একটা তালিকায় তারা অনেক দিন ধরে আছে। কিন্তু যে লোকটা বলে আমি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে এজেন্ট বসতে দেবো না, সে লোকটাকে আমি সাধু বলে মনে করি না। তার কারণ তিনি ডাইরেক্ট পলিটিক্স করে দেশটা সর্বনাশ করছেন। আমি আইডেন্টিফাই করেছি কে কে করেছেন। আসানসোলে একটা রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন আছে। আমি রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনকে কি হেল্প করিনি? সিপিএম যখন খাবার বন্ধ করে দিয়েছিল, আপনাদের অস্তিত্ব নিয়ে, স্বাধিকার নিয়ে, তখন কিন্তু আমি পুরো সমর্থন দিয়েছিলাম। মা বোনেরা আসতো, তারা তরকারি কেটে দিত, আর সিপিএম কিন্তু আপনাদের কাজ পর্যন্ত করতে দিত না। কিন্তু আমি জানি কয়েকজন, সবাই তো নয়। যেমন আমি শুনলাম আসানসোলের একটি মিশন আছে। ইসকনও মনে রাখবেন 700 একর জমি দিয়েছি ইসকন শহর করবার জন্য নদিয়াতে। ইসকনেরও একটা মন্দির আছে, ইসকনেরও একটা মিশন আছে। একটা দুটো তো থাকবেই। দিল্লি থেকে নির্দেশ আসে, বলে বিজেপিকে ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য বলো। কেন করবে সাধু সন্তরা এই কাজ? কিন্তু রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনকে সবাই সম্মান করে, শ্রদ্ধা করে। ওদের কাছে একটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ আছে গ্রুপ, ওদের যারা মেম্বার হয় তাদের নাম যারা দীক্ষা নেয়, তাদেরকে আমি ভালোবাসতে পারি, আমি দীক্ষা নিতে পারি, কিন্তু রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন ভোট দেয় না কোনোদিনও, এটা আমি জানি।
So the charge on Mamta Banerjee today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is that of vote bank politics. And he has accused the Chief Minister of targeting the saints and monks of organizations like Bharat Sevashram, Ramakrishna Mission and ISKCON. We're keeping a close watch on that story ahead of Phase 5. Taking a short break on Times Now.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? But it's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile lad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।